Today we will understand about microneedling, why it is the cornerstone of our acne scar treatments, what long-lasting and realistic results to expect, and why it is safe in all skin types. Microneedling is a medical procedure that uses tiny needles to enter the skin. When these needles enter, they boost up new collagen production and stimulate and tighten up the existing collagen. This smoothens out the skin texture naturally. Dermatologists have been using microneedling for over a decade now to correct dark spots, acne pits, deep pores, and uneven texture that follows many acne ailments. Microneedling is a painless OPD procedure and you can resume all your normal activities on the same day. When the patient reports to us, first of all the skin is prepped and cleaned by using alcohol-based cleansers. Then a numbing cream is applied for almost 30 minutes to keep the treatment absolutely comfortable. Microneedling can be done by various devices like derma rollers, derma pen, and also the microneedle RF devices. There are a lot of stamping devices available as well. These procedures can be combined with therapies like PRP, stem cells, exosome, collagen boosters in order to optimize the result as per the patient's need. All of these microneedling therapies boost up collagen production in a very safe and natural way, and since this procedure is not based out of laser light, there is no variation with the skin color as well. So anybody even with a very dark skin tone, somebody who has exposure to sun also, is a very good candidate for microneedling procedures. Once the patient is prepped and treated, they are advised not to wash their faces for 6 to 8 hours, not to rub the skin harshly, not to use any exfoliants for a week, avoid excessive sun tanning and sun exposure, and they should be using the sunscreen religiously every 3 to 4 hours, even when they are working indoors. How does microneedling improve scar? Microneedling improves scars primarily by inducing collagen. But these tiny channels that are created during the process of microneedling also help us to deliver things like transmanic acid, PRP, exosome into the deeper layers of the skin, thereby really enhancing the results and giving the skin a better glow. It also induces some elastin production and hyaluronic production. There is a minimal epidermal disruption which also boosts up new skin cell formation. The microneedling session typically lasts about 1 to 1.5 hours and they are repeated between 3 to 4 weeks in order to maintain the boosted collagen formation that has been initiated. As a maintenance, depending on the requirement, they can be repeated at a year or so, but most of our acne scar patients do not require any maintenances. Microneedling offers a very safe and long-lasting solution for acne scars and acne pits patients.